I brought this out, but there's no sunset today. Okay friends, so we are here with some more friends because we are photographers and we have no friends. Alright, so today we're at a new spot that I found. This is called PSA alongside. Sunset was a bit of a miss. I got some shots of the sun setting in the clouds. Hopefully they turn out nice, but I kind of forgot to bring my filters today. A bit stuck with my long exposures. I wonder if anyone's around that I can borrow some filters from. Oh no, this place is so empty. There's like no one here. It's a nice empty spot.
What?
Hey, can I borrow some filters?
What you want? What you want?
So, do you have ND filters?
ND, yes. Now, CPL, the rainbow, cross.
Wow, so many.
Yeah, everything give you. Wait, I still got. Wait. More ND. Nah, 去用.
Okay. Oh, still got some more. Wow, so thick already. How to see anything? Thank you.
Yeah. Walao, this side cannot be so nice already lah. Like got no filters to use eh. Whole pouch I give him already. I left this. Stupid ring.
Alright, hi midlifers, and we are here with Kelly at PSA trying to get some shots. We have been lent this series of filters from H&Y. So this is the H&Y Evo series filters. And let's introduce this new product to you and see how it helps you in your night photography, especially in a fantastic place like this. Right, Kelly, so why don't you introduce to us this new product that we're playing with today?
Okay, so this is the H&Y Evo series. So the good thing about this filter is that they are magnetic. So you just need to put on a filter adapter ring like this, and there's like magnet here and you just snap it on. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, so I just screw this on. Okay, and then it's like, the good thing is like this is very slim. Yeah, you won't really feel that it's there. And then afterwards I just put on a 6-stop ND. Okay, so we are currently now at this fantastic pot area near PSA. So we're going to take some long exposures here with the 6-stop ND filters.
Alright, so there are some nice lights over here, and I borrowed the streak filter from Kelly. But I don't have the magnetic ring on my lens. But no worries, because the filter itself does have a thread. So you can just screw the filter directly onto your lens like this, and you're done. So you can share the love and share the filters. So what we have here is I've put on the streak filter. So the nice thing about the streak filter is that you can rotate the filter because it's a lot of lines across, and this is the effect that you get. So you just rotate as you wish and you can take the photo at any angle.
Okay, so I'm a little bit short and screwing a filter outside of this kind of dangerous situation is a bit not the best, so the magnetic comes into place. So I can just snap it on and I can take a photo.
So these days when I come out, I hardly bring a full-size tripod like this. I think cityscapes, you need a MC100 clamp like this. So this is a Leo Photo MC100 and it's pretty good. So right, these filters are super durable. By the way, just now she dropped her camera, right? Filter didn't break.
My heart broke.
It's okay lah. Nothing actually broke. The camera just hit the floor. The floor is not broken, don't worry. Right, so Kelly, how was your experience using the filters today?
Really speaking, or not? No, but I think it's been a pleasure to use this. But I tried this when I was in Taiwan and I lost the lens cap because it came loose.
Yeah, so we also discovered that the filters are very easy to apply, to put on, remove. There's no risk of dropping the filters. They don't come out so easily. So you don't have to worry that it will detach by itself lah. Even if you
yes.
knock it, it shouldn't come off so easily.
Yeah, just only the lens
Yeah.
cap will lah.
Yeah, so the lens cap
That's why we don't have lens cap here
gone
because we
missing,
lost
but
it
there's also a
already.
magnetic lens cap lah.
Yeah.
So I think this is a pretty comprehensive set of filters. You get
Almost anything.
You don't buy it as a set, you buy it individually. Then you can choose from what mist filter, different strengths, your effects filter,
Your
star
NDs,
filter.
your star filters.
Yeah, all your ND filters. And
Yes.
the CPL filter is the most interesting one. So I think the
No, this is not. CPL is here.
the circular polarizer is the thinnest circular polarizer on the market because this thing allows you to screw it onto your lens and you still can rotate it while it's screwed on. So I don't think many CPLs actually are so thin. So I think this is one of the better CPLs you can get. Even if you're not going to use it as a magnetic system, you can just basically screw it on and it's super thin. So with wide angles, it shouldn't vignette much. Yeah, so and you can stack the filters. So we try stacking some of the NDs with the effect filters, but I guess the effect isn't so nice when you stack too many because it degrades your image quite a bit lah. But if you're going for the creative look, then yeah, by all means you can stack. And NDs, have you tried the NDs?
Yes, okay. I think they're okay lah. I think I prefer, if I were to get, I think I'll get the ND set.
Yeah.
And not the creative filter set.
Yeah. So
Yeah, because I
creative
think it's a
filters,
bit-
it's not a set, you buy it individually. So you can choose which ones you want, you don't have to buy everything.
Yeah, but it's just not like that nice, no? Because for the Rainbow Strix one,
Yeah.
you will see in the pictures.
Yeah, so I think some are quite easy to use, some are not so easy to use. And my experience with the filters is that with super wide angles, the effect filters look a bit funky. Especially the street filters, if you use like 16mm, right? Then it just become warped. So I
Yeah.
think 35 and above would be good. And when you use the aperture, if you stop down too much on the star filter, you get sun stars plus the cross. So I think just keep it wide open to get the most of the filter effect. Yeah, so it's been a pleasure using this. We're going to return this and we're going to try something else next.
Yes.
And stay tuned to watch for our next video.
Bye guys.